Hello dear student, I am Rajwan Singh and today I will explain the lesson A Trek Through the Himalayas. So let's start. In this poem, Srinjay Chakravarti describes his experiences and the difficulties of trek through the mighty Himalayas. They have explained about the difficulties in the trek on the mountains. The travelers have to face many difficulties and they have decided to clear the difficulties in this poem. The journey lost for days and days, we trek up valley, hill and slope, we carry with ourselves the hope to traverse strange, untrodden ways. In these lines, the poet expresses about the journey lost for days and days. And the trek up valleys, hill and slopes, they are very narrow and very difficult to move on this path. We carry with ourselves the hope to traverse strange, untrodden ways. And in these lines, this is also defined that when we carry with ourselves the hope of moving on this route to traverse strange, untrodden ways. The difficulties on these routes may be awkward, but we hope that we will succeed to move on this path. We enter now a world of clouds. Along the way, we hear the call of mountain, wind, and waterfall. The violet mist is spreading shrouds. And in these lines, the poet expresses again, we enter now a world of clouds. He says, when we go to that places, the poet imagines that he enters in the clouds, in the world of clouds. And along the way, he also hears the call of mountain, that mountains are calling him, come, come, come to me. He imagines this. And wind and waterfall of the mountains also wait for a traveler to call. And it says to come on this path and come to me. They are calling just like an imagination. And the mountain of wind and waterfall, the violet mist. And the poet says that the light fog is spreading here like the clouds and covering on the whole sky. It seems that there is clouds on the sky and it covers overall whole the sky. At last we reach the final peak. The summit beckons us to come. The air is cold, our feet are numb. We climb to reach the grail we seek. And the poet says in these lines that at last we all reach at the top of the mountain, at the peak of the mountain. And the summit beckons us to come. The air is too cold on that place. It means the air is very cold on that place and our feet or numb at that time. We all climb to reach the place where we want to go, and we all reach at that place where we wish to go. That is the place where we reach by facing a lot of difficulties. The path is steep and narrow there. It snakes its way these stairs of stones. Now mark the route we make our own. The sunshine gilds the lucid air. And in these lines, the poet expresses again, the path is steep and narrow. The path is in zigzag motion. They have to go by facing a lot of difficulties. It is like a snake, like snakes way in zigzag motion. These stairs of stone is spread on the path, is spread on the way. And now the poet marked the route. We make their own route. If we want to go there, then we have to make their own way, and we have to face difficulties, and then we can reach the top, reach the final peak. The sunshine gilds the lucid air. And the poet expresses that the sunshine covers thinly with gold. It spreads its light on that place, and it is like gold. And there the air is lucid. You can say cold air. The peak is stark with gilded snow. We look where sky and earth have merged. From high above, our souls are purged. Forgotten lies the world below. And again the poet expresses that the peak is stark with icy, extremely cold snow. The peak is covered with extremely cold snow. And we all look where sky and earth have merged. And the poet says that when they saw, it seems that sky and earth both are merged one another. And from high above, our souls are purged. Our feelings became cleansed of bad thoughts, became and feeling appear in good nature. And the poet says that is the place where we have gone, and when we reach at the top of the mountain, the place is like cloudy, and it seems that sky and earth merged, and we forgot all the bad habits and thoughts, and we have a good feeling. This is all for today, and we will meet in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.